Okay, this is gonna be the morning that uh, part one. Maybe like this is gonna be like daily upload limit. So I'm just gonna do this like a role play as a day in the life of a mother. Still so tired, but I need to make. But I'm just gonna make food for my son and my baby. Sort of juice box. Today he's gonna get strawberries and cucumber. No, I need eggs. I don't want to buy, so I'm just gonna get some here. The suspicious moving trip part 2. Your glasses weren't yesterday. Yes they were. Mom, no they weren't. Yes they were. Now let's go. Okay. So just gonna like it's gonna like get this. Then wait, let's see if I can cut it. I can't cut it, seriously? Bro. The parents' outfits just deleted. I'm gonna quickly find the new outfits. Whatever. Hello, man. How can I help you? Esther, you like the cut. Also, when you show us the die-off, I need eggs. Ah! Seriously? I need to buy eggs. I need to buy eggs. This is so unfair. Oh my god. Close that thing. Close. Go change your outfit. Go change your outfit. Oh yeah, I need to be quiet. But by the way, I need to go to the store. Stick still. What the frick? Why? Life as a mother is hard. It's so hard, guys. You don't know. No. I need to get some food. Okay. No, why did you go there? Wait, she needs just to get her other son. She has 3 freaking sons, by the way. Where is the son? I need the freaking son. Where's that thing? Bruh. Freaking seriously right now, bruh? Oh, this is so tiring. You know, I'm just gonna make my own. I'm just gonna make my own people. Okay. So you'll be a baby. Then your color is very pink. So you'll be a girl. You're a girl. Yeah, she little get pigtails. No. Like this, no. Like this, no. Like this, no. Like that. No. Probably I give her this hair and her hair black, very black. So this, I'm gonna give her this. Then her cutie pie clothes gonna be this now. Okay, that's good. That's good, y'all. That's good. Okay, yeah, we good. Yep, yep. Alright, go to store. Pretend the daughter's at home. Cause like low key, I can't like just do everything again. Slice. Right. A little ASMR. Alright. Where the guy? I need a guy. Okay, you know she's just gonna be the guy. Pretend it's the girl. Like yeah. Yeah. Alright. Alrighty. Ugh. I'm just gonna get some stuff. Like, I gotta get some, like, eggs. I need them whole eggs. Got the eggs. We need tofu. Get the bag. Put it. Get the bag. Okay. I can't freaking serious. I get that. I get that. I just hold. I'll get these. I'll get some chips. The chips, the cereal. Wait, I need some like orangey. Yeah, a lot of oranges. Some apples. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna buy my little daughter some like probably like like some some pay. I get the pay. So which pay am I getting it? Probably I'm gonna get this one. No, you know what? I'm not getting a pet. I'm just gonna. Hey, girl, pie. Yeah, girl, pay. Here you go. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, bye, girl. Thanks. Bye. Yeah. All right. Getting pink is impossible. There's no pink option. Well, you'll just have to watch that. Sounds good to me. All right, children. So, 2 hours later. Okay, children. Now we're going. Hey, Samar. Where's mommy? Mama, where's Sissy? Hey, Picky. Hey, Picky. Hey, girl. I got some groceries. Hold on. Maybe just put that right there, you know, like Balati, gnarly robotics, gnarly fried chicken, gnarly party in Hollywood Hills. This one, New Orleans. Oh my gosh, that beat. Oh my god, it's real. Everything's gnarly. Oh, we're in a session tonight. Gang. Oh, we're going out tonight. Gang. Gosh, this sounds so lit. Wait, hold on. Yes, guys, I have like a lot of stuff. But yeah. Don't worry about this, guys. I'm just fixing my freaking house. That's very dirty. Just gonna get this. I'm just gonna put it there. And I'm just gonna put it, get the thing, put it right there. Put it, girl, put it right there. Slay, guys, it's so cute. Alrighty. Hold the baby. I need to feed the baby. Honeys, you just sit there with your brother and y'all just can't watch anything. I just need to fix the house because it's real dirty. Alright? Yeah. Oh, girl. Just put that all in the garbage. And then I'm just gonna throw. Yes. No, I need so. How many children are there? So, there's 3. But for the mom is that. So, I'm just gonna get this. And I'm just gonna put a table right here. Yeah. I'm gonna get this little thing. I'm just gonna put it right here. And then the food. Yeah. Remember to be careful. I know. Do you just not want it to get on your floor or something? No. If it gets on the floor, it's fine, but around me. I know, but what? My clothes. They're expensive. And yeah. Okay. I mean, that's fine. That's so weird. Hey, Cynthia. Why is a freaking thing here? We can go get food. Because I'm kind of hungry. Oh, yeah, same. Same here. Yeah, sure. I'll be right back. Bruh! Hey, guys. I just realized she's sitting on a blue chair. Oops. Yeah? Yeah? Who's that chair for now? So you keep lying on me. Has, Cynthia acted weird when you hang out with her? Like, I'm not saying she's bad. She seems so worried if I spill a drink on her. I don't think it's that big of a deal. It comes out of clothes. Yeah, she does that to us too. She also refuses to go anywhere near water. I think she's a mermaid. What? What? Alrighty. No, she's not a mermaid. But she just seems to be so we're good. Yes! Okay. Oh, yeah, we have a mermaid problem. Ha. I'm just gonna open, put the unnecessary things. There's a notebook for school. That thing. Oh. No! You know it. I'll just put y'all there because y'all honestly annoying me. Gonna remove this, put it there. I'm gonna wear my bonnet because I have color, like I have curly hair. So, are you kidding me? I'd rather have sushi any day. I got lemonade with a side of lemons. Ew. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna change like because like let's go. Okay, guys, it's time to let's go watch the TV. Alright, let's go. Sit. Leave your baby with me. I'll take the baby. Probably I'm just gonna hold him. Sit. I'm gonna prepare y'all food. Alright. I'm gonna put that with this. With this. And then what else? This. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. That's perfect. The baby just eats something else, so like, get the milk. Hey. So I'll probably just open this, and I just get the milk like that. Oh my gosh, I forgot the plates. Guys, I forgot everything. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, all right.
That's why she probably doesn't go in water. Because the dye might wash out. Same with the drink spilling. It might get on her hair and wash it out. And that's probably how she was eating orange candy and stuff.
Here you go. That's yours.
Yeah. Oh no.
Gotta get the egg.
I really want to know what's happening. Yeah. And how is she living in a blue house and stuff like that?
Wait.
When she's
I need to get a
clearly not
freaking
orange.
pan.
I don't know, but we gotta find out. Really expose her. Carlos get water. Oh yeah.
I don't know. How do you freaking cook? Okay, do you know what? Just gonna be a boiled egg. I don't care.
Dumped it on her head. Finally. Yeah, we don't want her finding out. And the second her hair color reveals, jump back into bed. Yeah, pretend like we're asleep. Okay.
Yo.
She's orange.
Here you go, sweetheart.
Is she living in a blue house wearing blue clothes? Yeah, that's never happened before. Guys, quick, into bed. Pretend you're asleep. Pretend you're asleep.
And I'm just gonna clean the house because the house is low-key dirty.
What happened? Guys, yeah. We gotta wake up before Cynthia tomorrow. And we gotta ask her why her hair's orange. Pretend like we don't know. But go to bed for now. And when we wake up in the morning, if one of us
Why y'all talking? Y'all need to eat y'all food first. Yeah, that's right. Okay. That's in a dead, that's a day in the life of a mother. So yeah, bye.